Hello guys, welcome back to DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get Litecoin and make profit for yourself from this website I'm going to be showing you in this video. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon in order to get notified by YouTube whenever we drop another update in this channel. And don't forget to hit the like button and drop your comments down below. And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I really do appreciate you watching my videos and sharing it to your friends. May God bless you all. Now let's head on to the website. I have placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. So now all you have to do is to enter your email address, your login password, your security password, then you click on sign up. The Telegram and WhatsApp is optional. As you can see right now, our account has been created successfully. So this is the dashboard of the website we are going to be using in this video. As you can see right now, this is a demo account I'm using. I just created it now, so I'm using it for the purpose of this video. So in order to start earning, you need to invest in this site. This is not a free mining site as I always do in my other videos, but if you want to use the free mining site, you can go to my other videos and watch it. If you go to my channel, you click on videos, you will see many more of those videos you can watch and earn Litecoin, Bitcoin, Tron cryptocurrency and USDT for free. So let's check out the mining plan they have here. You click on VIP. Alright, the first one is called M1. This M1 is going to be giving you 2.20 USDT every single day, and you'll be given 2 tasks to perform each day, and your total profit is going to be 99 USDT, and you'll be getting this for just 13 USDT. That's what you'll be paying for this first mining machine. Then the second one is called M2. It's going to be giving you 6 USDT every single day, and you'll be given 3 tasks to perform daily, and you'll be making a total of 270 USDT from this site, and you'll be getting it for just 35 USDT. The third one here is M3. You'll be getting 20 USDT every single day, and you'll be given 5 tasks to perform, and you'll be getting a total of 900 USDT every single day, and you'll be getting it for just 117 USDT. Then the fourth one here is going to give you 60 USDT every single day, and you'll be making a total of 2,700 USDT, and you'll be given 6 tasks to perform. So you'll be getting this one for 351 USDT. As you can see right here, there are other plans that are higher, which you can get 210 USDT per day, 635 USDT daily, 2,369 USDT daily, and 6,250 USDT daily. So it all depends on you. You know which one your hand can afford, then you purchase it. And when investing, invest at your own risk and invest an amount that you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. So if you want to purchase any of this plan, let's say you want to purchase the first one, which is 13 USDT, or the second one, you click on the home button, then you click on deposit. So it's going to take you to this page where you'll be given an address where you're going to transfer the amount you want to deposit. All you have to do is to copy the address, then head on to your wallet and transfer the amount of USDT you want to purchase. So once you transfer it, you come back and click on recharge completed, and once you do that, it's going to take 1 to 3 minutes for it to appear here in your balance. And once that amount appears here in your balance, be it 13 USDT or 117 USDT, depending on the one you want, once you come to this VIP, you will see that that plan will be unlocked automatically for you. Then you will go to mission. You click on mission, then you will see the tasks that you'll be given here. If you got the first miner, you'll be given 2 tasks, but if you got the second miner, you'll be given 3 tasks, the third miner 5 tasks. So once you go to the mission, you just click on the button that is along that task, it will show completed. That's how you will do for all the tasks. You just click on it and you'll see completed. So to withdraw from this site, once you've mined, even if you mine for just 1 day, you can go and withdraw what you've mined from the miner you purchased. You click on withdrawal. So the minimum you can withdraw from this site is $2. So now, if you have from $2 and above, you can withdraw it from this site. You just enter the amount here, then you enter your address here, then you enter your security password here, then you click on confirm. It's going to take just 1 second for it to be transferred into your wallet. It doesn't waste time to withdraw. Once you click on confirm, is going to be transferred into your wallet. So this is how this website works. So whichever one you want to purchase wisely. Don't purchase more than what you can afford. So invest wisely and invest what you can afford to lose, because I am not a financial advisor. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any question, and click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another video in this channel. And don't forget to watch our other videos in my channel and also anticipate, because I'm going to drop another update 2 days to come, because I upload every 3 days on my channel. So don't miss out. Click on the bell icon and you'll be notified. You won't miss that update. Now stay safe and God bless.